2 minutes until the open here. You see my comments from above from this morning. How you doing, Ed? Hope everybody had a nice weekend. Fall is absolutely here, which is perfect for me. One of those kind of weird weekends, no bears or anything like that. So you know, what are you supposed to do? But my daughter came home for, well, at least part of the weekend, so I got to see her. But anyhow, okay, so markets are open here and in Europe, and that's basically it. Japan is closed, Canada is closed, our banks are closed, treasuries are closed. So we'll just have to see. You know, I guess the big news, or the biggest news, would be, you know, China haggling now with the phase one that we were talking about, opening up in just a minute right now. It hit the market, and then it basically rallied back a little bit. You can see that it's weaker, but it's not like we have any you know, wholesale selling going on. So, but these markets can get pushed around in these type of things. We also, you know, we have escalating things happening in Syria, possible you know, trade, not embargoes, what's the word I'm looking for, trade, you know, just sanctions against Turkey.